welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. Apologize about the lighting. It's hard to find a parking space that's, going to avoid the sun when the sun is rising. Yeah, it's morning. Good morning, everybody. So ice cream for breakfast. How about that to start your day, right? But Dairy Queen started yesterday, August 1st, another new Blizzard of the Month. Tends to be, they tend to reward us once the summer kind of starts to wind down and we kind of get fatigued with the summer menu that they dropped back in April. They start kind of saying, okay, come back, we got something new. Last month, the caramel drumstick, fabulous. Now we've got Reese's Take 5. Interestingly enough, though, it's not pieces of Reese's Take 5, which I really think would have been interesting. It's, things that kind of compile to what that would be. So very interesting. I don't blame them because it's kind of harder to kind of chop that up and then throw it in. Just use the toppings you have, right? You've got peanuts, you've got pretzel pieces, you got Reese's, and you got caramel topping. So really, this takes last month's drumstick Blizzard, replaces waffle cone with pretzel, replaces chocolate with Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, and there you go. It's not extremely different. I loved the caramel drumstick, so I can already tell you I'm gonna love this one too. It doesn't look a lot different, does it? It does not. So yeah, just to explain that to you. Available for August. I don't know what to expect for September. I don't know if that's when the fall menu drops or if they'll just stop the summer menu, give employees a break, and then October is when it drops. Last year we had a Tango where it was kind of delayed. So I'm thinking September should be the month it drops, but we'll see. Keep your eyes posted. I'll have all the reviews for you when those items come out. So if you'll hit that subscribe button and like and comment on this video, that would be appreciated. And let's try this. First impression, very, very similar to last month's Blizzard. The key difference, Reese's. Got that crunch from the pretzel. I think there's a hint of saltiness too from the pretzel and from the peanut butter that's in Reese's. So those are the two key differences here. But it's on the same level, without a doubt. A nice, robust caramel flavor. Even the peanuts coming in there and adding a nice crunchiness to it. A different crunch though, a more bulky, chewy, kind of softer crunch than what a pretzel gives. Well, I didn't really think about this, but these last two Blizzards have really spoken to their kind of partnership with the MLB here. You get all these things that are pretty normal for a ball game. Ice cream, candy, pretzels, peanuts. So, it more than makes sense. I didn't make that connection until today. I think it's a connection that's been building up, but I didn't make it till today. So yeah, really good. I think it even takes a step up above the caramel drumstick, just because some hints of saltiness with the peanut butter and the pretzel. The added texture of the peanuts, which I know drumstick had that, but just the two different types of textures with what we've got here, which I know waffle cone, I think it just was less crisp because it's like chocolate covered, so the chocolate kind of smoothed it out. But yeah, if you're someone who likes a diverse mix of flavor, I think this one's definitely worth trying. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. It's fabulous, and Dairy Queen has been doing a really good job this year. So I applaud Dairy Queen. I can't wait to see what you've got in store for summer. Hopefully, maybe like an apple pie blizzard makes a return. We shall see. The only disappointment I have with them so far is we haven't seen s'mores. So maybe September, maybe fall menu, I don't know. That's where I feel like s'mores has always belonged. I don't want to go on a tangent. I'm going to let you go. But I really think s'mores as a summer flavor has never made sense to me. Because when do we start having bonfires? In the fall and the winter. When do you eat a s'mores? When you have a bonfire. Anyways, that's my review. I'm sticking to it. And I'll see y'all around.